All right, so we're going to learn a new way of division. There's the regular way, which is what I showed you in the first lesson, and then there's this method called synthetic division. Some people find this easier, some people do not. So this works if the number in front of what you're dividing by, in front of the x right here, is a 1. So if there's no number, there's an imaginary 1, so this works out. And you take whatever sign this is and you do the opposite. So the opposite of 8 is -8. That's how we start, okay? The next thing you want to do is the numbers that are in front of the x cubed, which is 3. You're going to take that and write that down first. The number in front of the x squared is 26 positive, so we're going to write that down after. The number in front of the x is a 13, so we're going to write that after. And then the last number here is a -24. Okay. All right. So what you do, let's just say, side note, if there was no number in front of the x squared, like there was no term here, and it just went 3x cubed plus 13x minus 24, then that number here would be 0. Okay, but that's not what's happening here. There's an actual number in front of the x squared. All right. So now what you want to do is you literally are just going to take this first term and bring it down. So the 3 comes down. You're going to do -8 times 3. You're going to multiply this. -8 times +3 is -24. So that answer is going to go right here, -24. And then you're going to add these two numbers, 26 and -24, or 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply these two numbers, right? So the -8 times +2 is -16. So you're going to put that number down here, right? And then you're going to add these two numbers right here. So 13 minus 16, or 13 plus -16, is -3. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply the -8 times -3, which is +24, right? That answer goes here. And then you're going to add these. -24 plus 24 is 0. So 0 is your remainder. Done. A.